Black holes have always been the villains of the cosmos, the ultimate destroyers. The silent monsters that swallow everything, even light itself. For decades, they were the symbols of endings, places where the universe's laws break down and reality folds in on itself. But what if I told you, black holes might not even be the strangest thing out there? Because the deeper scientists look, the more space starts to act like it's playing a game we barely understand. It started with something small, almost poetic a heartbeat. NASA's IXPE telescope caught a black hole sending out pulses of X-rays. Not randomly, but rhythmically, like an invisible drumbeat echoing through space. Every few seconds pulse, like it's alive, like the void itself is breathing. And the strangest part, this isn't just one black hole. There are others out there doing the same thing, each beating their own pattern. Space has a pulse, and for the first time, we're hearing it. Then came the rebel, a supermassive black hole spinning in the wrong direction. Picture a galaxy spinning one way, its black hole spinning the other. It's like the heart of a storm moving against the wind. Physically, it shouldn't even exist, but it does. Maybe it's the aftermath of a galactic collision. Maybe it's something deeper, a sign that our entire understanding of how galaxies evolve is missing a piece. Whatever it is, it's space telling us, again, that it doesn't care about what's supposed to happen. And if that wasn't wild enough, NASA's Chandra telescope spotted another black hole eating faster than anything we've seen before. It's devouring matter so quickly, it glows brighter than the entire galaxy it lives in. That shouldn't be possible either. Some scientists think it's one of the universe's firstborn black holes, billions of years old, suddenly waking up. Imagine that a relic from the dawn of creation opening its eyes again. The deeper scientists look into black holes, the more it feels like they're not just finding answers, they're poking holes in reality itself. Every new discovery tears open another what if. What if black holes can connect distant parts of the universe? What if time doesn't end inside them, but loops? What if what falls in doesn't vanish, it just changes form? Maybe everything we lose out there isn't gone at all, just rewritten somewhere else. And maybe that's why space feels alive. Every pulse, every flicker, every gravitational wave is like a heartbeat. In the dark, a reminder that the universe isn't empty. It's active, it's awake, it's doing something we haven't figured out yet. We're surrounded by signals, whispers, invisible patterns stretching across billions of light years, and we've barely begun to listen. Sometimes, I think about how small we are, tiny dots floating through something endless, trying to make sense of an ancient language written in light. The more we learn, the smaller we feel. But that's the magic of it, right? The more the universe humbles you, the more you realize how incredible it is that we even get to see it at all. But black holes aren't just destroyers, they're storytellers. Every burst of radiation, every wave of gravity they release, carries the memory of what came before stars, dust, entire worlds crushed and rewritten into light. They don't just erase, they record, but even with all that power, they might not be the weirdest thing in space. Think about magnetized stars so magnetic they could erase your data from across the galaxy, or rogue planets, lonely worlds drifting through the dark without a star to orbit, or cosmic strings, invisible filaments that might be older than time itself. The universe is full of things that make black holes look almost normal. So maybe black holes aren't the strangest thing out there. Maybe they're just the loudest, the ones that get our attention first. Because if there's one thing the universe keeps proving, it's that every time we think we've seen its limits, it just laughs and shows us something strange. And maybe that's the point. Maybe black holes aren't the end of everything, maybe they're doorways. Every known law breaks inside them. Space, time, even reality itself gets torn apart and rebuilt into something new. What if what we call the end is actually just the start of somewhere else? That's the beauty of it, the mystery that keeps us looking up. The universe isn't quiet. It's whispering through radiation, through pulses, through the silence between stars. It's telling stories, and sometimes those stories sound a lot like this one would. Dark and somehow beautiful. This was Stardust Stories, and if the universe taught us anything tonight, it's that even the darkest places can still glow. There's more out there waiting, more mysteries hiding behind the light. So stick around, because next time we're going even deeper